Welcome to the Gemstone Separator found in both Gemology Tools Professional and GT Gemstones. First will be a short demonstration, then we will explain the near hits feature and give you tips on its use. To start the Gemstone Separator, open the Gemstone database and click the Separator button on the toolbar. Enter all data you have on your gemstone. For this example, our mystery gem is yellow. Type the letter Y in the color field and select yellow with the mouse. If you have Gemology Tools Professional and have taken a spectrum, you can compare it with our spectral list. Scroll through the list to find a match. In this case, our mystery stone does not have a match. Our gem is transparent, has a high refractive index of 1.63 and a low refractive index of 1.55. From the data entered so far, there are 9 gem hits. We have examined the gem and ruled out assembled stones. To manually remove any gem from the list, simply right-click and select Yes. The polariscope has revealed the gem to be doubly refractive biaxial positive. Select DRB Plus from the optic character drop-down list. Pressing Query shows 2 possibilities. Notice that clinohumite has red numbers surrounded by a blue box in the RI field. This indicates that the refractive index for clinohumite is slightly out of the normal range, making the stone suspect. When tested in 3.05 specific gravity fluid, the stone floats. Enter less than 3.05 in the SG field. Success! Using the data entered, hamburgite is the only possible gemstone. Notice the near hits box at the bottom left. These innovations have made the Gemstone Separator much more useful than a normal database search. A good example is the common gemstone quartz. Before near hits, if you entered a low refractive index of 1.54, you would not get a hit. Why? Because quartz has a very constant low refractive index of 1.544. What exactly are near hits and how can you tell when you have one? Near hits are warning signs that the data you have entered is slightly out of the normal range. If a measurement is in the normal range, the text of that field will be black. You can tell if you have a near hit when the text color is not black. As you can see, adamite is our only gem hit. If you'll notice, the gemstone text color is green. This means bluish-violet isn't in the gemstone database for adamite. However, the base color violet is. Adamite is commonly found in violet hues, but has not been reported to have been found in bluish-violet. The refractive index text color is red, meaning the RI is out of range by up to 1%. You can move any of the sliders to narrow or broaden the range. Be sure to press Query after each adjustment. The specific gravity text color is blue, meaning the SG is out of range by up to 5%. And finally, the pleochroism field is magenta, which means that adamite usually shows 3 colors, but we have only selected 2. If we were to uncheck the Show Near Hits box, we would have no matches. This concludes the demonstration of the Gemstone Separator, which is part of both Gemology Tools Professional and GT Gemstones. To find out more, visit gemologytools.com.